Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming hardware and software. iPhone 7 or newer with NFC and iOS 13 Plus. Make sure the Amiibo is accessible, not inside a thick case. Once done, open the Amiibo-compatible app and grant NFC permissions when prompted. You're starting the process immediately. Place the Amiibo near the top/back of the phone where the NFC sensor lives, hold steady, and watch the app detect a tag. This first read establishes identification and prepares for any subsequent writes. You'll next perform a thorough read and save a backup. This preserves the original Amiibo if anything goes wrong. After the read completes, use the app's editor or selection menu to choose what to change, character data, unlocks, or custom configurations, and confirm the target game compatibility. Once you edit, run the built-in checksum or verification tool to ensure integrity. Make sure to keep the phone steady and avoid interruptions, so the backup and edited image stay intact for writing. You're now ready to write the edited data back onto the Amiibo. Initiate the write and maintain steady contact until the app confirms completion. Once done, immediately reread the tag and compare the new data to the intended changes and your backup to verify success. If verification fails, retry the write, try another Amiibo-compatible app, or restore the original backup file. Common fixes include removing cases, charging devices, toggling NFC, and ensuring no wireless interference during the write.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.